Is analytics about predicting the future? Analytics is currently a trending topic. This includes the process of converting data into information. Generally, the data itself do not have much meaning. When transformed into information is when it becomes valuable to support business decision making. The data can be obtained from one or multiple sources. For example, the information can come from my customers, what did I sold them, when I have sold it, how they paid me, where they purchased, etc. The ideal combination for good decision making is the use of analytical results with personal experience to reach the best possible outcome. Analytics considers the past to predict what will happen in the future. What is the trend to follow for a given event? But what is a trend or pattern in the data? It is something that is repeated over time, consistently. An isolated fact does not generate a pattern, which is why we are required to analyze a broad history to obtain relevant conclusions. Usually, analytics are used for business purposes in multiple industries. For example, in the retail business, the analytics are used to predict the trends the business will follow, such as what are the characteristics of consumers who visit the shops. Based on their characteristics, consumer groups are created. Groups are sets of consumers with similar characteristics. Groups are sets of consumers with similar characteristics, but that can be differentiated from each other. From the groups can be deduced what stores they visit, what kind of stores each visits, at what time of the day they visited, what products they buy together, and how often do they do it. The idea of analytics for retailers is to get to know their customers as a traditional corner shop, where the shopkeeper knew every customer and knew what, when, and at what time he bought, how much, and even knew his likes, so he could make a recommendation. When it came a new product which was sought by the client and was not available, he knew very well when to resupply the shop and what products were best sold. He knew very well when to resupply the shop and what products were best sold. Based on that knowledge, he could better negotiate with suppliers. Therefore, analytics are the discovery and communication of meaningful patterns in the data. Thanks, I am Gabriel Jimenez. Visit my site at garablog.com.